Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add, edit and manage the bookmarks in your Chrome app on computer. So right now my Chrome browser is open and this is the website that I want to bookmark. So you can open any other website you want, and if you want to bookmark a page, what you can do is you can click on the star icon here in the address bar, which will open this bookmark added, and you can just select done and it will add the bookmark. So if you want to revisit this bookmark, so you can just go to the three dot options, and under it you would be able to see this bookmarks and list, and here you can just go to show all bookmarks and it will open this sidebar where you can choose what bookmark you want to access. So this bookmark is added in the all bookmarks and you can just select that and it will automatically open. Now if you want to edit the particular bookmark or edit the link, what you can do is you can again go to this three dot options, and within the bookmark list just go and open this Bookmark Manager, which will open the separate window, and within the other bookmarks you can just see the bookmark that you have added, and here tap on this three dot options and it will give you option to edit. You can choose edit command and rename the bookmark or edit the URL and save the changes. Now if you do not want the bookmark, you can choose to select that three dot options and choose delete. So there are also other options like you can cut, copy this bookmark, open in the incognito mode and all other stuff. So these are the ways to manage the bookmarks. Let me just again bookmark this link, and if I want to move the bookmark from one location to other, I can just use this drag and drop and move to the bookmark bar. So if there are any other folders, or if you want, you can select this three dot options and choose new folder, and say suppose I want to name it as work. It will be added under the other bookmarks, and from the bookmark bar I can just move it to others. In this way I can even organize the bookmarks that are saved on my computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.